Another day, another Victorinox Swiss Army knife, and this time it's the Victorinox Walker. This knife used to be called the Lumberjack, as far as I know. In 2015 it was reissued under the name the Walker. It's 84mm, which is a very, very nice size. You just don't notice it in your pocket. And here it is, in comparison to the Spartan, which is 91 mil. So, what has this handy sized pocket knife got to offer? There's the main large blade. There's the cap remover with a flathead screwdriver, and which also can be tilted to turn a Phillips screw. And there's the wire stripper. And one of the coolest features is the saw. I love these saws. They're sharp and great fun to use. There's also a toothpick and the tweezers. Here you can see it's a beautiful, simple design. It's just got 2 layers and no other tricks. Yeah, I really like these saws. So that's the Victorinox Walker. Great little knife, and apart from money, I just love to have it in my pocket.